Hello.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, did you check our city papers?
What?
Sir, city papers?
Okay, city papers we will discuss on Monday. Monday we have two classes. That day we will discuss. Okay. Now, if you are doing only the discussion, then you will miss the main class. I will score the release on Sunday, and I will discuss the paper on Monday. Monday we have two lessons. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because we have to go with this topic first. Look, we have frequency, huh? Frequency. Can you write the heading frequency? Write the heading frequency and try to understand this diagram first. Then you will write the definition. Okay. Look, in this wave we have complete waves. One, you see, one crest, one trough. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this crest and this trough is making a complete wave. Then we have another complete wave. You see, we wrote here one. That means here we are having one complete wave. Then second complete wave, third complete wave. Okay, and for these three waves, uh, to complete, we need some time. Maybe it will take 3 seconds or maybe it will take 2 seconds. Now for this wave, the time taken for this all three complete waves, it is 1 second. So the number of complete waves, waves we also say cycle. One crest and one trough is a complete wave or cycle. In our last
Complete
class,
vibration,
yeah,
oscillation.
yes, in last class we gave four names: waves, cycle, vibrations, oscillations. Okay, same thing, phone names. They who missed the class, you should go through the recordings. Very important because I went those classes very slow. I explained each and every points. We went through, deep discussions of everything. You should go through the recordings to go and understand the other topics of waves. The basic of this waves you have to understand. Otherwise, you will have always confusion. Okay, you cannot link. So please go through the recordings who missed the class. So you see here we have three complete cycles in 1 second. It is called frequency. Number of complete cycles every second, it is called frequency. And we have a formula here. Look, we gave the formula this way, numerical formula. Frequency is expressed by F, and F equals number of complete cycles divided by time taken. So here in this way we have three complete cycles and the time taken for these three cycles 1 second. The frequency is 3 hertz. Okay, cycle per second. We can say the unit as cycle per second or only per second, and we can say also hertz. It is also after the name of scientist. That's why it's starting with small letter hertz. And in short, hertz can be written this way: capital H then Z, hertz. So Muhammad Saad, Kazi Jawad,
Yes, sir.
Nubrat, all of you. Then we have also Aisha. Please draw this diagram first. You write the heading
Yes, sir.
frequency, then draw this diagram. You label time 1 second here. Then you label here 1 cycle after drawing this diagram. Then you label frequency 3 Hertz. After drawing is done, you write this definition. Write this definition, then SI unit. SI unit of frequency is Hertz or per second. Do it quickly. Once you are done, then you let me know. This note is available in our Google Classroom. You can also have details. Whatever we discussed before, all the things are available in notes. So if you go through, you'll understand the recording more. Nubrat. Hello, Nubrat. Nubrat. Hello, Nubrat. Nubrat. Nubrat, his microphone is off. Aisha. Hello, Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Are you drawing?
Yes, sir.
Is it done?
Almost done.
Yeah. Uh, Drawing done, then you write this definition. The number
Yes,
of
sir.
complete waves or cycles per unit time is called frequency. Then you write frequency SI unit is Hertz.
Yes, sir.
Write this formula also. After writing all this, the definition SI unit, you write this formula, then calculation. Show the calculations. 3 cycles, 1 second, 3 Hertz.
So the drawing is not done, sir.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Where is Shafkat?
Sir, no idea, sir.
Okay, are you done with the formula?
No, sir.
Saad, you will do one
Sir,
thing.
can you show the definition, sir?
Yeah, definition
Sir,
is there.
can you show the definition?
It's there on the screen. Can't you see? At the top, you see, it's given there.
Sir, the number of complete cycles. That one,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Do it fast. So if I now give you one question,
Sir, can you take it a bit up, sir?
sure.
Like there is a yeah. Now
Kazi Jawad, are you done? Hello, Kazi.
Sir, I've drawn the diagram.
Okay, very good. You finish writing everything. I am drawing another wave here. Okay.
sir,
One.
like for sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, number of completed by time taken for the time taken is for one wave or the three waves.
Three waves.
Okay, sir.
That means number of complete waves in 1 second. That means here we are getting in 1 second 3 waves. We have to take that 3 waves. Okay. Sometimes we will get 2 waves in 1 second. I am showing you how to do. Okay.
Oh,
Like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I am giving you one example here. Then it will be clear to you. 2 seconds. Okay. Hello, Adnan Rahim. Adnan,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Sir, fine, sir.
You have your copy and your pen with you?
Sir, no, sir. Let me get it, sir.
Yeah, take it. Then you write the heading frequency.
Okay, sir.
Then you write this formula, huh? After writing the heading, you write this formula. Frequency F equals number of complete cycles by time taken. Okay?
Okay,
Then
sir.
draw this diagram. Right side I drew one diagram and I showed the working, huh? To do that. Quickly. You see I gave here one wave, huh? One we have crest and trough, huh? The upper one is crest, lower one trough. One crest, one trough is making one complete wave. So one complete wave is also known as one cycle, huh? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 complete waves. And for these 5 complete cycles, we have 2 seconds time, okay? We needed 2 seconds. So 5 cycles by 2 seconds, the frequency is coming 2.5 hertz. Note down it, huh? Quickly. Adnan. Hello, Adnan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do it fast because already they are done.
Sir, we have to also draw the this diagram also.
You also do it so that you can have another example to understand clearly. Previously, you asked me one question, right? You were confused. So this example will help you to understand better, right? Mohammad Saad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why I gave you this example. Do it fast. Faiza. Hello, Faiza. Faiza. Yes, write the heading here, frequency. We are doing frequency. And write this formula, F equals number of complete cycles by time taken.
Alright, sir, I'm taking a screenshot.
Yeah. Have you taken the screenshot? Faiza?
Sir,
Have you taken the screenshot?
yes, sir, I did.
Okay, so you send it to group.
Sir, so what is the diagram on the right side
Yeah,
of
this
the screen?
diagram is showing you 5 complete waves. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? This is one
Yes, sir.
example how to calculate the frequency. So 5 complete waves, it requires 2 seconds. You label 2 seconds, okay? Then you put the values in the formula. F equals 5 cycles divided by 5 seconds by 2 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
So frequency is coming 2.5 hertz. 5 by 2 is 2.5 and cycles per second means hertz. Okay? The
Okay.
unit of frequency is hertz. So do it quickly. Faiza. Hello, Faiza.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Did you?
Sir, how 5 cycles, sir? I forgot.
Yeah, look. Faiza, send the screenshot in the group. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Our physics group. Look here, Kazi Zawad. we have one crest
Yes,
and
sir.
one trough making one complete wave. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how many crests you are taking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 crests. 1,
Yes,
2,
sir.
3, 4, 5. 5 troughs. So
Yes,
5
sir.
crests, 5 trough is making 5 complete waves. Is it clear?
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So are you done, everyone? If you are done, then we can go to next one, next item.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. 1 second, sir.
Faiza, Faiza,
Yes, sir. I send the screenshot. Can
yeah,
you
yeah.
please?
Thank you so much. And you can you please contact with Nubrat? She is not replying. She is not taking part in the discussion.
Yes,
She is
sir. I'm
attending
going to
class,
help
but she
her.
is totally silent.
Sir, done, sir. We can move.
Now look, we have here some examples: low frequency, medium frequency, high frequency. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
So number of uh, for all these waves, we are having the same time given. So if we have more number of complete cycles, we have high frequency. Okay, and if we have medium number of waves, like less than this, less than the high frequency, we have less waves than high frequency. We have here medium frequency, then low frequency. So it's clear to us that within the same time, if number of cycles are more, then we have more frequency. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in your
Yes,
MCQ
sir.
part, if you give 4 waves and we are giving the time also, then you can identify which one has lowest frequency or which one has highest frequency, right? Isn't it? Hello,
Yes,
can you
sir.
identify them? Yes. Now we have here speed, speed formula. There is one formula to calculate the speed of wave. The formula is frequency multiplied by wavelength. Frequency multiplied by wavelength. Can you write this, please? Speed, the heading you write, speed of a wave is the product of frequency and wavelength. Then you write this formula. And you all know that SI unit of speed is meter per second. Wavelength is measured in meter and frequency is measured in hertz or per second. That's why it will be meter per second. You already got in our previous page that frequency is measured in how?
Hearts.
Hertz. Hertz, it is coming from another, we have the formula. Frequency is number of complete cycles per second. So it has another unit, frequency, that is per second, huh? S inverse. And from there we are getting meter per second. Wavelength is in meter Wavelength we measure in meter. So in your formula you can also mention it, huh? How this meter per second is coming, I'm showing you. Do it quickly.
Sir, how we will get the sir wavelength, sir?
Wavelength we get from the,
Speed divided by frequency.
it will be given in the question, like yesterday, that means yesterday means last class we discussed the distance from crest to crest and distance from top to top, or distance from the starting of the wave to the end of the wave. It is called wavelength, right? So from the given
Yes, sir.
information you can find the wavelength. Like you asked me very good question, I like it, and I'm also giving you one example to understand how to get the wavelength. Look, for example, a wave is given like this. 1, 2, then 3. So now for these 3 complete waves, we are having the distance. For example, it is 6 centimeter. Huh? How many
Yes, sir.
centimeter?
6.
6 centimeters. So for one complete wave, how much is the length? How much is the distance?
Sir, 0.06 meter.
No, 6 by 3. Because we have here three complete waves, right? 1, 2,
Yeah.
3. So for 3 complete waves, we have 6 centimeter. And wavelength means the distance traveled by the wave in one complete wave. Okay. So till here, starting of the wave to the end of the wave, one complete wave. So 6 divided by 3, right?
Yeah.
You can also take this note. So it's coming 2 centimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
This way we calculate the wavelength. If you convert to meter, then it will come 0.02 meter.
0.0. Yeah, 0.0.
So what is the formulas of wavelength? Like speed divided by frequency.
Uh, this one you can also find what you said, speed by frequency. We can find the wavelength. If your speed is given, frequency is also given, then you can find the wavelength this way. Here I showed you another thing, Aziz Awad. Like sometimes they will give you the wavelength this way in the diagram. Okay, like they will give you the distance traveled for 3 complete waves. It is 6 centimeter. Then for one complete wave, it is how much? 2 centimeter. That is your wavelength. Is it clear?